Good day, investors. My name is Lawrence, and thank you so much for watching this channel. A channel talks about investing in stock market and also how you can be financially independent. If this is your first time to watch this channel, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing so that you don't miss out on other new uploads. If you're returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about yet another topic that normally I get, and actually I recognize that I haven't talked about it anywhere, yet it is a very, very important topic if you're going to be investing in shares, especially in Ugandan stock market. And so I'm going to be discussing the best brokers in Uganda. So basically, if you're going to be investing in stock market anywhere in the world, not only in Uganda, you need a broker. A broker acts as your intermediary. Basically, it's the one that they place your order. They are the ones who manage your orders, manage your stocks. So basically, that's what they do, and they take small percentage when you do transactions. So basically, that's what a broker does, especially if you're buying shares. So first of all, before we do anything, I want to first go to the website of Uganda Securities Exchange to show you how many brokers we have before I can also discuss more. So if you go to Google or your search engine and you type in Uganda Securities Exchange, which is the main exchange of Uganda, then you go to Uganda Securities Exchange. So you go to this section, About Us, then you go to Trading Participants, then you go to Stockbroker Firms. Actually, there are not many because actually, as I always say, the Ugandan stock market is not grown like for example, the Nairobi Securities Exchange. So we only have 5. So this is even easier than I thought. So there is cheaper. Cheaper is actually, it's also an app. If you're a Ugandan, you can even invest in America's stock market, global stock market. And actually, if you need that, you need me to talk about Cheaper Cash, the app, you can just put a comment. I will go ahead and talk about it because I've invested in it before, and also I still have some investment in Cheaper app. It's good actually, but we are talking about it now today as a broker. So we have Crested Capital. So if you want to contact them, definitely you can see their contacts. We do have Dyer and Breyer. Dyer and Breyer has both Uganda and also in Kenya. So we do have Stanbic Bank Group Securities. This one also, it has both Uganda and Kenya. So it also, we do have the fifth one, we have UAP, Old Mutual. Actually, this also has both Uganda and Kenya. So you can see almost most of them, apart from the Crested Capital and Cheaper app, all the 3 of them have branches in Kenya. So that's how actually Kenyan stock market influences the Uganda Securities Exchange. So these are the main 5. If you want to go, and also if you're planning to invest in Uganda Securities Exchange, you can also visit their website so that you check what really they do offer. So beyond that, this is the format of the questions that I sent to the broker. For me, I know, but I was asking on behalf of the new colleagues or new investors or planning to invest. Basically, these are the questions, if you're planning to invest, that you should be also be thinking about if you're going to be investing or choosing a broker. So I said, dear team, my name is Lawrence, and I would like to invest in shares, but I have some few questions. One, what do I need to open a broker account? Do I need to physically visit your offices to open an account, or I can do it remotely? Do you charge account monthly fee or annual fees? And yes, if yes, how much? Do I get charged when I buy and sell shares? Actually, this one is the fixed amount on Uganda Securities Exchange. It is 2.1. 2.1. And also fifth one is, do you have online trading platform? This, of course, we know it's a no. They don't have a trading platform, but they have something that is similar, though it's not practically a trading platform. We may visit it somehow if we get time. So basically, these are the 5 questions that I already asked. So you can say this one, as I said, this one is a fixed amount, which is 2.1% of the transactions. And do you have online talk? They have something similar actually. If we go to this one, it's called Easy Portal. So if you go to About Us, you should actually home. There's something called Easy Portal. And for Easy Portal, actually, it's not, it's really not about SSD form. So it's not like an online, but it does help to do, actually, let's say Easy Portal, Easy Portal Uganda. So basically, this is how you access it. If you're going to be registering, or if you want to start investing in stock market in Uganda, you can use this to register, which is one of the answers. I'm already this one I was opening for someone. So this is how it looks like. So basically that's how it is. So Easy Portal is like their online platform, but it's not really live because you cannot press an order directly and get instant results. So let's go to the brokers. So I got on 2 responses from 2 brokers. The rest did not respond to me. I don't know if their email is not working, or it went to junk emails, or I don't know what happened, but I only got 2 emails from the brokers. So if I was going to invest a fresh and a new person, definitely the first brokers that respond to me are the brokers that I will definitely give the chance, because email, especially in Ugandan stock market, email communication is 100% very, very important, because as I said, you don't have live market where you can press buy and sell and immediately it's bought. You need either to use a broker by emailing them or by calling them. So that's why if a broker responds to you immediately, so Stanbic Bank Group Uganda was the first company to give me a response, and basically depending on how many questions I asked them, so they replied on first day, and they replied, of course, I said no other companies that replied to me out of 5, only 2 online trading platform. I said they don't have, but you can use Easy Portal to press your booking. The moment you press your orders, they will go to your broker, and your broker will press request for you, but this one doesn't mean it's done. The broker will place an order, a sell or buy order. If it is executed, they will immediately reply to you that your order has been executed, either bought or sold. So basically that's how it is. That's why I say they don't have online trading platform. Mobile money, yes, they do have mobile money. Actually, you can also use mobile money to open an account. I think on my previous video, I talked about how you can use mobile money, either Airtel or MTN, to start buying and selling shares on Uganda Securities Exchange. So they don't have maintenance fee, no opening fee. So the requirements, they need national ID, nothing else. No passport, no nothing. If you're Ugandan, they will require strictly national identification card. They also need 2 colored passport photos. The previous video I talked about Kenya, they needed the bank statement, but this time they don't. In Uganda stock market, they don't need a bank statement. Opening method, yes, because I say there are 2 options. Either you can use mobile money, MTN mobile money. You can either use also Airtel money, all, you can use the one we talked about, the easy portal. The moment you press your details, the details you will select which broker, immediately they will submit the documents to the broker. Then they will ask you to submit remotely your documents, and they will be able to open for you the account. So second one is Old Mutual, or UAP. This also both in Uganda and Kenya. So if you're planning to invest in Uganda and Kenya, you can still use both. So replied on the first day also. No, the same. Or mobile money, yes, they do have a maintenance fee, no, and so basically it's not going to be so hard. So actually these are the two main brokers. Personally, I would give a chance because they responded immediately, and email communication in Uganda Securities Exchange is extremely very important. That something that you shouldn't be ignoring. Actually, I also received a question that, can you trust the broker? Are the funds, your funds, secure in your brokerage account? So the answer is yes. Why? Because actually these brokers are regulated by Capital Markets Authority of Uganda. If you're in Kenya, Capital Markets Authority of Kenya. So the way it works, the broker cannot act. The funds are in trust of the broker, but all the funds are controlled by Capital Markets Authority of that country. And the moment, for example, the broker goes out of business, the funds will remain with the Capital Markets Authority, which is the regulator. So you don't have to care whether the broker is trustworthy or not. The moment you put your money in the brokers and start buying and selling shares, I can 100% guarantee that your funds, your money is safe. Basically, that is also an answer to the person who asked me about buying shares. So actually, I've talked many videos about investing in Uganda, investing in Kenya. So if you're not yet subscribed, if you're not yet shared the videos and also liked, please go ahead and share so that we can grow this community, because actually there is low level of understanding on the stock market. That's why actually I had to open a channel to teach, because when I was first starting to open to invest in stock market, there was no channel within East Africa, even up to now. Actually, apart from me, there are no channels that are dedicated to investing in shares. Yet it's something that can actually make you better grow your finances. So that's why I want you to share, to subscribe, to like, so that it can spread everywhere, so that people can know that stock market is another avenue of making money. So as I always say, please, stock market, buying shares do carry some risks, and if you're going to invest, if you're going to buy shares, I would recommend that you first inquire from your brokers. If your brokers actually, they don't do much effort to educate the investors, so I don't normally recommend that you ask the investors. The actual investors are only interested in someone buying and selling, because the more you buy and the more you sell, the more they will be getting revenue, because every sale, every buy you do, they have some commission. So don't trust the brokers that much. You can say, you can ask your friends. If you're my friend, definitely I can always give you some advice that is personal, not financial. If you have a financial person, financial advisor you trust, you can ask them, so that you don't make very big errors, because stock market can be risky if you don't understand what you're buying or what you're selling. So for today, that is all. I wish you best investment, best buying, best selling in shares. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.